Level Up Cambridge, the scale is just super massive. Teams from across the world, from Austin, from Pasadena, from especially Cambridge office.
The whole programme is produced by Redgaters for Redgaters.
34 sessions with over 50 speakers. Around 20% of the talks at least are brand new Redgaters who have not talked before.
Be comfortable getting out of your comfort zone. It's good to try new things and who knows where it might lead to.
For some people, standing up in front of a group is a challenge. It's something that they don't feel comfortable with, but you get just a broader spectrum of content, genuinely what people think is going to be important for someone else or what they're experiencing in their day-to-day jobs.
We've got someone who keeps beehives and how people work together in teams and how that connects to being in a beehive.
Some of the other talks, for example, were on mental health and so much. Initially I was thinking, ooh, this is a bit tough to talk about, but it was actually brilliant. And the fact that we're able to do it, it's quite something.
Given those chances to connect in content, the space to talk together, and in the evening in our Revel Up where we're investing a lot in the fun evening activities, that's really what I think today's also about as well, the fun.
You can't really quantify what Redgate is. It's who we are, we're just a good group of people.
I started in a very junior role and worked my way up through multiple roles within the company because there's just continuous development opportunities. 17 years kind of speaks for itself in a way.
I'm not sure how they do it. I mean, if we're all from different corners of the world and we're all saying similar things, it must be true, mustn't it? And I feel like I fit in, I feel like I'm at home. And I think that's rare these days.
We empower anyone if they've got something that they believe can add value. This is a company where you can make it happen.